What's going on, guys? I'm out here in South Haven, Michigan for Gridlife Midwest. It's a pretty cool event where they do drifting, tracking, time attack, all that good stuff. Professional drivers, a lot of beginner drivers. This is it's a great chance where like people want to learn, because they have like the beginners, intermediate, advanced. So I'm gonna show you guys some cars, some races, and hope you guys can enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys. Damn, she's nice. So this is where people like have their cars, they work on their cars, and of course you can find so many cool cars around here. That Corvette is a drifter, so that's probably a time attack car. It's a pretty nice event. So this is interesting. It's a Camaro, but I guess it's used for a track. It's the first time I see that. And of course you have the BMW gang right there. Some Nissans. There's a whole bunch of Miatas. That's the outline of the track right there. It's called Gingerman.
Alright, good luck. Go fast.
That's an interesting Miata. That thing gotta be fast. It is fast. Beamer gang. She's pretty. Maybe I'll make my SI track car. Let's see. Oh, look at those things. And you always see some cool shit here, like that car, you know, you would never think that car would tow a car, but it's pretty cool. Because race car. Got that clean Integra over there. Type R. That's me for sure. Go fast or suck. This thing is mint.
Right here, I actually do see the time is going right now. So maybe I just gotta refresh my unit. Go to the 139.8.
That fucking car is fast. This thing is a beast. So I want to get my headlights like that and see how that goes. I think that's nice. What the hell happened here? I think it's broke. Caught on fire?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Feel bad. This car is a legend. Nice. Stay serious, baby. That car is beautiful. Race car.
Let's go back to up a little bit. This is some of our motorsport funds that put together.
Miata gang.
We're going through chemo. If you donate $1,000, I will eat a lemon.
It's taking a nap.
We're working our way there. We're almost 10% of the way there. So let's get rolling. And I actually really would like to experience getting that before they run out. We're at $76 right now. You know that you don't. How fast are people going through chemo? And watch me cringe at eating a lemon because that's, I mean, okay, maybe, so my mom, she's big into like canning, make her own jam. Look at the fall foliage here, Nate. It's been a beautiful weekend.
This car is awesome. Looking down.
And everyone here is able to social distance and mask wearing is being enforced, and that's why we're able to be here. But also not to the meantime.
That's a nice ass building. I guess a girl drives this car. Cute. This is a drift car. I think it's fucking badass. Ooh. Damn. Slam. Ooh, that thing is sick. The drift boys. Lambo doors. Hell yeah. Holy shit. Really? Wonder, bro. Hell yeah. Look at that big wing. Big wing. Damn, this thing is clean. Don't know what that is, but drift car. That thing looks sick as fuck. It looks like a tank. The thing is beautiful. Too bad it's VA swap. This goes from years of gasoline. Of course, I couldn't forget you, my stands, boys. So I know you guys want to see the stands, cars. Holy shoot! I just seen like a car that I don't want to show you guys yet. I'll leave it as a surprise at the end. But here is all the stands cars, aka Garage Queens. Very nice. See, one day I'll have a car that I'll keep long enough and I'll be able to do something like that. And I own cars, I never keep them longer than like 2 years, 3 years. Alright guys, so first of all, let's look at this super clean. It's 2000. So I love Hondas, and look at this thing, it's fucking clean. And then we got this Supra, extremely clean too. Oh my god. Then we got this Nissan, and look at that. I don't know if it's real or not, but this thing is amazing. Of course. Damn, son. Of course, this car wins the best of show. Nice. Pineapple pizza. Am I gonna watch these cars? 35 for the win, bro. Hell yeah. What's going on, guys? So today is Sunday. It's raining out there. I figure I'm not gonna show you guys more video. I mean, it's gonna be pretty much the same thing. Some drifting, some tracking, and same cars. So I'm just gonna wrap it up on just one day. I had enough content to show you guys. And if Gridlife is, you know, close to your city, definitely consider visiting. It's pretty fun. It's like 10 times better when there's a concert and stuff, but unfortunately with Corona, like I said, they weren't able to do that. Definitely hit them up, check them out on Facebook, whatever. Remember, we gotta support all these. You know. Shit, there was a pothole. We gotta support all these like events, you know, because they don't do it for free. You know, they spend a lot of money. They gotta rent the track. They gotta pay for all the staff they use and shit.